Hello guys, I am with ASUS Zenfone 6 and I want to show you how to find your download files in this device. So for the first, you have to swipe up and go to the file manager and click back, and here it is, downloads, but currently there's no file. So I will go for the Google Chrome and click here for YouTube, go to the graphic, and I want to download this pic. So click on the download image, and now if we go again to file manager, here it will be our YouTube graphic. So this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.